Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SLS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. Then it makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As far as summarizing today's price movement, this is what we would call, a gap and trap. If you're maybe new to trading and not familiar with some of the jargon out there, all a gap and trap means is, the price, when you stop and think about it, it closed right there on Tuesday. And then this morning, price actually opened up way up there, hence the gap up. The price ran a little bit, got up there. Some poor souls were buying. And then from there, the trap happened. And all the way down it went. So, that's what a gap and trap is, and a nasty situation, depending on where you buy. But overall, these also can lead to some interesting, follow-through type movements, especially when the price starts to consolidate around areas of support, which this one did. It came down here, and you can see basically pulled off, a double bottom, not exactly, but definitely close enough to consider a double bottom. But you can see right here, there are some former areas of support. And then during that candle right there, once again, bounced right off from that area, give or take, like I said, right around the 16-cent mark. Now, don't get me wrong, though, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy, just because there's, some strength there via the sign of people buying and, that the support standing up does not mean that for sure, history is going to repeat itself and, go all the way back up there. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, that wouldn't be shocking at all. But myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that is for sure guaranteed to happen because, again, there's no such thing as a guarantee. But, definitely an interesting movement, today. And like I said, this means a little bit more to those people that have traded for a while. And if you have traded for a while, then I'm sure you've seen a gap and trap, and the gap and trap finally ends, and it ends around an area of support. And then it can, produce some nice upwards movement. But as, like I said, no guarantees, which is why risk management, risk control needs to be at the forefront of all strategies. In the event this level does not hold up as support, the next key overarching level to watch would be down here at 14 cents, which is that pink line right there, the very famous 200-period moving average. But probably getting a little bit ahead of myself there because as of right now, as I've said, 16 cents has done a great job of holding strong. So we'll keep an eye on that, and we'll see if any sort of bounce can happen or not. But definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one. But all in all, it definitely turned out to be a gap and trap. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.